Venus flytraps are famous for their snapping jaws, but did you know these plants can actually count? When an insect touches a trigger hair inside the trap, nothing happens at first. But after the second touch, within about 20 seconds, the trap slams shut. This counting mechanism prevents the plant from wasting energy on false alarms like raindrops or debris. Scientists discovered that the plant uses tiny electrical signals to keep track of each touch, and only after 2 does it close. This incredible adaptation helps the Venus flytrap conserve energy and maximize its chances of catching real prey.